Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am gearing up for my first local event. We do not know how much product to take, but we will be prepared.
All the way back around to our school.
This is the ideas I've came up with so far. I think I'm going to put each scent by row. I'm a little panic, friend. I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole setup. Just ignore the stuff in the back. And then imagine my canopy over with the logo. Here is our final setup. Of course, it was a learning curve. Next time I will iron the backdrop. I want to thank you guys for watching. I am just starting this channel, so I'm hoping that we can grow together. We had a very beautiful setup and our logos have now changed. We have different labels on our candles now.
Take a little